Everybody, it's me, Ultimate Turtle, and we are building a bike build. I was going to tell you last night, but my phone was dead. It's about 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. Let me actually check. I'll show you the time so you guys believe me. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and I woke up at 6. So yeah, this is the bike build right now. You want to see all the parts to it? There's the seat. There's a bunch of other stuff in there. Probably can't see it, but... yes, I'm not joking. But yeah, this is the bike build right now. You're probably asking where the tires went. Well, it's a simple question. Front tire, back tire. So you probably ask why I don't have the chain on. It's right there. So what happened is that I took the gearbox out of it, of the chain part. Yeah. Chain's too small for the regular chain, I guess. No, too big, not too small. So I'm going to have to small the chain out. So yeah. Every single day I will be posting a video, and if I can't on the bike, well, I'll have to wait a little bit, but okay. So, I don't know if this works. If I still don't finish this by the end of the video, tell me something to get this stupid thing off. It's like... I'm legit just only making dents. That's all I'm doing. And no, the gears do not work. Well, that's going to be the end of the video so I can start working on the bike a little bit more. You'll see in the next video, but... camera just went sideways, didn't it? Yeah. See you guys in the next video, and tell me a way to get that off. I'll probably get it off by the end of the day, but give me your suggestions.